It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a cute little eyeshadow look for you guys today. Nothing too crazy, but we still getting into the glam, okay? So with that being said, we are going to be jumping right into it. What is going on? What you been up to? First, I just want to say I'm going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette, the Tati palette. Y'all know I love this palette. Please don't get sick of her palettes because I'm not sick of them yet. So with that being said, we're going to be jumping into the magenta because I do want to do like a pink purple, like I kind of want to do like a royal kind of look, but I really don't know like what is it hitting for today, you know what I'm saying? But what's been going on? What you been up to? Have you been taking care of your mind? Have you been taking care of your peace of mind? You know, like lately peace of mind has been definitely the bag for me, and anything that doesn't bring me peace I don't even want to entertain. So yeah, boo, that's been the vibe. For my new boos, we do both of the eyes on here. You know, it's really hard for me to not do both of my eyes at the same time because I get lazy and I don't be wanting to do one eye then the whole eye done, and I'm like, ugh, now I gotta do everything on this eye. So I kind of like go with both, you feel what I'm saying? Okay, next we're going to get a little dark, okay, and we're gonna jump into this blackberry. It's like a purple, and we're gonna stamp that real good on the lid, girl. Oh, and this brush is an M507, and the brush that I actually used to on my eyes was also an M535. I'm really just going with the flow. We can darken that real good. I'm doing spotlight eyes. I like to really know that like I'm not sure what to do because that actually brings my creativity out even more, because I'm like, what should I do? Well, just go with the flow. So I'm kind of like going with the flow. I'm gonna take a little bit of a black, okay? So we're gonna jump into Black Beach. I'm gonna place that right here on my lid just to darken it down there a little bit. Since I have that down, I'm gonna start blending out these edges and bringing this out. I don't want it out so much, but I do, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, ooh, look, they coming out cute, you know? Okay. I hate when I get this daring and I'm a little nervous, you know, but I just want to play with a wing. I just want to really use my black to clean it up. I don't know if you can really see it, but I just want to clean it up with the black. And now since I have that down, I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Real quick, we're going to be jumping into rose pink. Lay it right here on the brow bone, making it look real pretty. Look, I'm just loving this eye already. And while we have that, we're going to take some of this P. Louise and we're going to lay it under the eye. We're going to do all up under here. And just clean this up really good. I just got to figure out, do I want to do the same at the bottom, like connect it, or do I just want to smoke it out under the bottom? I'll figure it out. I really don't know, because I think that is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be taking that purple, that dark purple, and we're going to be laying it right here real good up under the lid. Ooh, yeah. For some reason, I'm going to drag this line out just a little bit. I want to do a bottom wing really quick. I'm just being extra. I'm just being extra. But that's okay. Extra is okay, okay? So now I'm gonna just drag this. And all I'm doing is extending it, extending the liner. So now since I have that down, I'm gonna blend that a little bit under the eye. I'm gonna jump right back into that pink, into that magenta, and I'm gonna just lightly put it under here. I also think I should put that pink that I put on my brow bone, I should put it in here. Oh my God, this looks so cute. So cute. So now I'm going to take this gold. This is the P. Louise. This is in the color Extra AF. And I'm going to take a little bit of this on my hand. And we're going to dab it all in the middle. And then we're going to stick some right at the bottom too. That looks so pretty. Alright, let me put some mascara on my eyes. And then I'm gonna smack some lashes on. So really quick for lashes, we're going to be jumping into these cute little mink lashes that I got from a hair store. These are royalty lashes. They look cute. This is my first time trying them, so we're going to try them out and see what they hitting for. Okay. Oh yeah, that's cute. I think I like that. Ooh. So now since we have these eyes down and they are looking so bomb, we are going to be jumping into face. So for moisturizer and primer, we're going to be jumping into the Hello Hydration e.l.f. And also for the primer, we're going to be jumping into the matte putty primer. I kind of want like a matte look. I don't want nothing too dewy because we want to focus on these eyes. We don't need nothing all soft and radiant. You know what I'm saying? So for foundation, we're going to be jumping into the Morphe Filter foundation, and this is in the Rich 30, and we're going to just be tapping this all over the face, tapping this really good. As you can see why I'm so in love with this foundation from Morphe, right? Like the way it just lays on the skin is just like whoo, okay. And now we're going to be jumping into my new duos, and this is the e.l.f. This one is in the deep cinnamon, and then this one is in tan sand. So these have been like my favorite little combos to put on my face lately. And it is nothing wrong with drugstore, honey. It's not what you wear, it's how you wear it, okay? I love me some e.l.f. All my booze know I love e.l.f. though. That's my best. And as you can see, I'm really light on the applications. We're not doing too much. You know, giving it a little bit. We're not doing too much, okay? And then we're gonna just blend that all in real good. And no swipe. I hope you know you tapping. You know what I'm saying? Making sure you know that tapping is where it's at, baby. Tap, 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 tap. No swipe. Just tap, 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 tap. Like that, yeah. Okay, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the beauty bakery. We're going to be baking this real good. Getting all under that eye because you know the girl is a creaser, okay? Tapping this real good. Oh, that look good, baby. And while that is baking, we're going to jump into contour. And for contour, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Cream, and this is the color Chocolate. And then I'm going to overlay it with the powder, and this is the Cocoa Naughty. Y'all already know what it be hitting for, okay? Slapping that right under, giving it a natural cheekbone. Alright my boo, so I am back really quick. I had to jump on everything because I have somewhere to go. Alright, for lip, really quick, we're going to be jumping into the Trendsetter by Morphe. This has always been my fave, so I'm gonna real quick do my lips. And next, because I did so much with the eye, I'm going to be keeping it real simple. I'm going to be jumping into the Crayon Case lip, and this is the Private Party, okay? And I'll slap this. When I just want to keep it simple, I just like to put on a nice lip gloss. And look. Boom. Alright, so next, real quick, we're going to be jumping into the Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty, okay? And we're going to take this and warm these cheeks up real good. Oh, got a little bit on the nose. And then next, we're going to be using the Hot Girl Sunset. We're going to be jumping into this highlight right here. And I'm just going to take that. Like, yeah. You see what I'm saying? I just love the way this do. Oh, yes. And now, as you can see, honey, this is definitely the final look. Like, number one, I'm really feeling this eye look. I really love the way this look came out, okay? And if you was feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below, my boo. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I do not know what you waiting for, baby. You better make sure you subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, okay? So with that being said, I love you, boo. Come here, love you, boo. You know I love you. Psych, no, I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow in makeup. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.